Infodefensa reported that Spain is taking decisive action to overhaul its Marine Corps' amphibious vehicle fleet. The Spanish Navy is set to receive 34 next-generation amphibious combat vehicles, VACIM, which will phase out the decades-old AAV-7s and bolster the nation's seaborne assault capabilities. This procurement is part of a larger defense push tied to Spain's strategy of reaching NATO's 2% defense spending benchmark, as outlined in the National Industrial and Technological Plan for Security and Defense. This year alone, €50 million has been committed to the program. To expedite key modernization efforts, including the VACIM, the Ministry of Industry has proposed a royal decree authorizing an additional €150 million in pre-financing. The draft decree, which outlines mechanisms for direct defense sector investment, identifies the VACIM under its broader, Efficient Comprehensive Amphibious Projection System designation and details the planned acquisition of 34 wheeled 8x8 vehicles configured for various roles. The new fleet will consist of 28 infantry carriers, 2 command units, 2 recovery vehicles, and 2 ambulances. The contract includes logistical support, soldier training packages, advanced simulators, and new infrastructure, ensuring operational readiness from day one. Designed for high survivability in rough maritime conditions, these VACIMs can conduct operations in Sea State 3 and remain afloat in Sea State 4, an uncommon feature in wheeled armored platforms globally. Their role will be to deliver troops from sea vessels to land rapidly and then continue inland operations with robust protection and mobility. Currently, the Marine Infantry Brigade, Tercio de Armada, relies on 19 tracked AAV-7s, mostly troop carriers with a few command and recovery versions. These platforms, in service since the early 1970s, are nearing obsolescence. Spain also operates 39 MOAG Piranha IIICs, which are expected to retire by 2028. A 2004 report had projected a need for at least 60 to 65 new vehicles to replace both fleets, indicating that the current acquisition may fall short of fulfilling full operational demands. The vehicle model reportedly leading the selection process is the Amphibious Combat Vehicle, ACV, jointly developed by BAE Systems and Iveco Defense Vehicles. This platform is already deployed by the U.S. Marine Corps and was showcased at the 2023 FAINDEF Defense Expo in Madrid. The ACV offers an 8x8 wheeled chassis with an H-drive transmission, carries up to 13 fully equipped troops in addition to a 3-person crew, and reaches 105 km per hour on roads and 6 knots in open water. The system is modular, with versions for troop transport, ACVP, command, recovery, and an ACV-30 variant featuring a Kongsberg remote turret. Beyond its military impact, the VACIM initiative is also expected to stimulate the national defense industry. Spain will handle the entire project lifecycle domestically, from design and assembly to maintenance and support. This ensures deep involvement by local companies, especially SMEs, and will likely generate high-skilled employment across several regions. A comprehensive 30-year support plan will sustain fleet readiness well into the mid-21st century. Though the initial order covers just over half the projected requirement, the VACIM program represents a key milestone in Spain's defense modernization efforts. By integrating an advanced platform like the ACV and ensuring local industrial participation, Spain is not only upgrading its amphibious force but also reinforcing its strategic autonomy and long-term defense capacity.